Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log out of Outlook or remove your account from Outlook on a PC or laptop. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. To log out of an account, click the Settings icon, the gear in the top right corner. In Settings, make sure Accounts is selected in the left menu. You'll see a list of all accounts signed into Outlook. Next to the account you want to remove, select Manage. Scroll down to the bottom and click Remove Account from Outlook. You'll see a message confirming that removing the account does not delete it. It only signs you out. Click Remove, then confirm by selecting Remove again. Outlook will refresh, and when it opens back up, that account will no longer be signed in. If you're still seeing the account after removing it, try restarting your computer. That usually fixes the issue. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Outlook and Windows tutorials.